Yo, White Moon 584 here. Just picked these up. The new M&M's Caramel. That's right, caramel M&M's. I say caramel. I know some people would say caramel or caramel or something. Caramel M&M's. Picked these up for only $1. Says new. So, let's try them out. Jeez, here we go. Wow, pretty big for M&M's. Jeez, you know, these were a long overdue flavor, caramel, so let's try one. Here we go. Okay, I can definitely, I can taste the caramel for sure. Grab two more here. They're not that bad. Okay. They kind of taste to me, they're kind of like a crunchy milk dud. Definite thumbs up. So this is White Moon 584. Like and subscribe. You all have a nice, wonderful day. These are good.